In this exciting journey through Slovenia's capital city, Ljubljana, SuiteTrails takes you on a tour of 7 must-see attractions from historic sites to contemporary art galleries and beyond. Discover the vibrant culture and natural beauty of Ljubljana, one remarkable destination at a time going US as we explore these incredible places and more. One remarkable destination at a time places and
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Ljubljana, a captivating destination, offers an unparalleled cultural and historical experience. As a guest, you are privileged to explore this enchanting city under the guidance of a knowledgeable local host. Immerse yourself in the essence of Ljubljana through iconic landmarks, such as the Dragon Bridge, Tivoli Park, and Ljubljana Castle. Hidden treasures await, waiting to be discovered through the eyes of each host. Their unique insights will transport you to a world beyond the ordinary, allowing you to experience Ljubljana through their individual lenses for relaxation. Your host will recommend a culinary gem exclusively for you, a hidden eatery where only the local inhabitants frequent. A meticulously crafted guided walk through the heart of Ljubljana, combining exploration of its historic landmarks with a captivating visit to Ljubljana Castle, promises an enriching experience steeped in both ancient and contemporary tales. Commencing at the bustling town hall, once the residence of the city municipality of Ljubljana, visitors embark upon a journey through the city's illustrious past. Your journey begins in Zagreb, where upon your driver will pick you up from your accommodation. Following this, Ljubljana awaits, boasting a charming character, lush landscapes, and friendly local cheer. You'll learn about Jože Plečnik, a renowned architect who significantly shaped the city's identity. Subsequently, explore either or both of Slovenia's prominent sites, Lake Bled, characterized by its picturesque island and castle, or the Postojna Cave, featuring a labyrinthine network of caves stretching for over 27 kilometers. Join this engaging workshop in Ljubljana led by experienced craftsperson, Mojca Tomšič, where she will demonstrate the traditional Slovenian craft of weaving. This unique opportunity allows participants to explore the rich heritage of Slovenian art through the process of creating a woolen keepsake. Mojca Tomšič, one of the few remaining traditional weavers in Slovenia, will guide you through the intricate steps of weaving, sharing insights into the craft's historical significance and its role in Slovenian culture. Participants can choose to work in groups or independently under her expert guidance. As one traverses an eclectic terrain, the mesmerizing spectacle unfolds before one's eyes. The shimmering waters of the Mediterranean captivate the senses. At the heart of this picturesque setting lies the charming medieval city of Piran, nestled amidst the embrace of the sea and fortified towns. This architectural gem stands as a testament to centuries of history, housing illustrious landmarks such as the Maestro Antonio Vivaldi's former residence, adorned with his eponymous statue and inscribed with his legacy. The bustling central square, a hub of activity, pulsates with the echoes of past eras. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating neon odyssey, where each element is meticulously crafted to transport you into vibrant, luminescent realms. Embark upon 15 captivating halls within 4 distinct rooms, each designed to immerse you in unique landscapes across America, the Arab world, Asia, and Africa. Join forces with like-minded adventurers and secure your travel documents. This global expedition awaits. Each chamber is adorned with luminous accessories that capture the essence of its respective culture. Ljubljana, a city renowned for its rich culinary heritage, presents travelers with a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the flavors of Slovenia initially overlooked by many. This picturesque metropolis has gradually evolved into a gastronomic haven, catering to discerning palates worldwide. Upon arrival at Prešeren Square, located in the heart of Ljubljana, guests are greeted by a welcoming local guide who shares insights into the city's diverse culinary offerings. Guided tours begin at the bustling farmers market, where patrons uncover lesser-known delicacies and engage in hands-on tastings of local produce.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.